Hello, boys and girls. Now let's start saying hello to our dear Father. Now, in the name of the Father, Son, Holy Spirit, Amen. Thanks God for this new day in our home to work and pray. Please be with us all day long in every story, game, and song, and protect me, protect my family, my teachers, and friends. Amen. My Pet, Part 2. We are going to continue talking about pets. Oh, bird, bird. It's my bird. It's my bird. Rabbit, rabbit. It's my rabbit. It's my rabbit. Listen and point to the correct picture. It's my bird. Excellent. It's my rabbit. It's my rabbit. Great. What is this? It's my rabbit. It's my rabbit. What is this? It's my bird. It's my bird. Great job! Bye-bye!